Entidad ng abay de acordo pahisa e REFPAR com 9% de um tempo de 4 anos. Intenção tapa tanto o setor privado como o público invertir e contribuir na melhoração de produto Aruba, evaluando a qualidade nos islas nos porta mais confortável, pahisa nos preços e atrair turista que está disposto a pagar pesaqui. Esta é esforço onde tanto a AHATA, AHATA e o governo de Aruba trabalham duro com meta comum.
The hotels are going to focus very much on targeting direct purchase of the rooms, to train their staff to higher levels of service, to get them more involved with the Aruba certification program, basically just to improve the overall quality. And to continue investing. I mean, many hotels have invested substantial amounts of money. Last year, the Renaissance invested 20 million. The Holiday Inns just invested 20 million. Most of the hotels on an ongoing basis invest $5 to $10 million a year to continue to improve the quality of the experience. And the Tropicana is going to be spending a lot of money this year too, to basically upgrade the quality. All of that leads to an improved RevPAR, and the government on its side is basically saying, well, if the private sector does this, then we agree to do that. Improving the airport, for example, basically helping the hotel sector with respect to labor laws. Basically what we're saying is that there's a need to be more flexible to be able to meet the needs of our guests. Safety and security, of course, is a key issue. So it's basically coming up with a working plan.
Aruba Tourism Authority de Subanda também está sendo ng máximo esforço ribe aspecto de mercadeio e atrair turista de qualidade, mas que o executivo de AHATA mostra de estar contento e agradecido para a iniciativa para a decisão aqui, assim a mesa de ilustrar com o mestre queda Cauteloso.
I mean, one of the things I think that's not fully understood is that one of the main ways that you can continue to improve the quality of the product is by reinvestment, by taking money that you make in one year and reinvesting it the following year. And to do that, you have to make good profits. And to make good profits, you have to have good business conditions. And so consequently, there is a concern that the cost of doing business, electricity's gone up, premiums have gone up, so the constant erosion of the profit margins means that there's less money to reinvest. And this is a concern that we have, to make sure that if we're going to achieve this objective of bringing in a more affluent, a more free-spending visitor, we have to be able to have business conditions that allow us to reinvest and make sure that there's enough money to be able to basically improve the quality of the facilities.
E não mira problema de próximo ano, pero para por seguir invertir e melhorar a qualidade de produto Aruba, o hotel não mesmo por conta do ganache. O hotel está confrontando gasto ng alto de utilidade, qual porta em consequência ng maneira, por exemplo, impedir nang de manter na mesma acordo ng assim. Está pendente para sinta que o governo e seguir deliberar riba é possível para, por exemplo, estabilizar o preço tão crescente de utilidade e assim assegurar que o turcosta siga na maneira mais certa na bem-estar de nossa isla.